Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting concrete proof of ownership and the exact post that's infringing. Locate the Facebook post ID, URL, and timestamp so you can reference it directly. Then gather original source files, metadata, and any registrations or contracts that demonstrate rights. These materials are what Facebook evaluates. Once done, log into the account that owns the content and open Facebook's Copyright Help Center. Make sure to have contact information ready for the claim form to avoid delays. Now you'll complete the copyright report on Facebook. Select whether you're the rights owner or an authorized agent. Fill in the infringing post link and describe precisely which rights are violated and why, because clarity speeds review. Upload copies of your proof, registered certificates, original files, or contracts, and include any registration numbers. Then provide a statement of good faith and an electronic signature. This legally affirms your claim. After submission, monitor the email tied to your account for Facebook confirmations and case updates. Finally, follow through after Facebook responds. If your content is removed, review the takedown notice and keep records of the decision. If the uploader disputes the claim, you can accept a counter notice, negotiate a license directly, or, if necessary, prepare to present stronger evidence. If Facebook denies your claim or the dispute persists, contact their DMCA agent or consult a lawyer to explore formal legal steps. One troubleshooting tip: preserve all communications and timestamps. These can be decisive if proof or process is questioned.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.